You didn't even count. You just made it up.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
We're here together at the table again.
So exciting.
Making puffballs.
Puffballs. We love puffballs. So there's a couple of different ways that you can make puffballs. So we are going to show you the different ways to make puffballs.
So I'm going to do it using my hand. Hazel, what are you going to do?
I'm going to use a little piece of cardboard.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're a little friend, cardboard might be easier. I'm going to cut a little tiny slit in the top of my cardboard because little hands might have trouble, and I'm going to hook. That's how I'm going to start it. I'm going to hook my yarn in there.
That's a good idea.
And then I'm going to just wrap it around.
Okay, and I am going to start by holding it in my hand like this, and then I'm going to start wrapping. And I like to wrap at least 60 times to have a nice big puffball.
You were counting.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't count 60. I'm going to do like Miss Kate's formula 10. I'm going to guess that's about 10.
Six, 7, 8, 9,
Sometimes
10, 11,
I make
12,
little balls of yarn. Did you
13,
start
14,
again?
15,
28,
16,
39,
17,
47.
18, 19, 20. That's 60.
You didn't even count. You just made it up.
No, I was gosh.
All right, look at that.
I'm going to now, because
Well,
I'm all
just
done with mine, I slid off my hand, so now I've got this. And I'm going to place another piece of yarn in the middle. So kind of at the middle there. I'm going to, yes, carefully do this. Hazel does this a different way. She's going to show you, but I go like this. I saw you made a little loop, the other one that you made. I'm going to tie it.
If you make 2 loops, it'll lock in, you know.
This is how I like to do it.
Okay, you should do it your way.
I know.
You. I'm going to do my part next. Okay, I have used cardboard. Sometimes when little friends do it, they pull it really tight. So I'm going to fold my cardboard in half. This is a massive puffball. My friend Holly would love this puffball because she makes giant ones. I am going to do mine a little bit different way, and I've got a long piece of string so you can see. So I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to make it kind of like a slip knot and go around, because then I can get it super tight. Check it out. Cinch it down really tight, because if you don't get it tight, then it will fall apart.
Yeah,
and
all the
that's
pieces
no
will
fun.
fall out.
So I'm cinching it down, then I'm going to split it and come around, because it doesn't really matter what goes in. And then when I make my knot, I'm going to make my knot 1, 2, because that sort of locks it in.
Oh, which is basically what I did, but I tied it and then I did it again.
And I'm going to knot it
again.
again.
Now this is all folded here on the side, so now you're going to cut it. Mm-hmm. When it's time to trim, you're going to want to do it over a trash can, because it will get pieces everywhere.
So if you can't cut it like 50 million pieces of yarn, just take a few at a time and practice the life skill of patience.
Oh, it is a good life skill.
Yeah. All right, now when you first cut it, it's a little bit wacky. You might want it to be tidier. So this is where Miss Kate was saying, being over a trash can.
Not doing over the table like we are.
My puffball is really kind of big.
It is. It's very puffy.
Yeah, it's very puffy. That's good enough for me, because now I'm going to do something funny. Okay, and there's my friend, and then he could have like a little bird. He could have a funny hat. What are you making?
Well, I thought I'd make a little rabbit, because we made all these not too long ago, but we used thicker yarn for that, so they're super puffy. But it's okay. Again, I'm using the glue gun. You don't have to use a glue gun for this project, but you know.
We like this is fabric glue. This one works good.
So I'm going to
make like a bunny. Oh, that's so cute.
That's what I'm doing. I'm making a little bunny right now.
I love that.
So here's the beginning of him. Now he needs a little puffball for his tail.
Does he need a nose?
Oh, he needs a nose, yeah.
You could give him big crazy eyes.
Those are very large eyes.
Yes. Oh my gosh, so cute. Will you be my friend? Okay, so there you have it.
Do you have any carrots? So yeah, you can make a bunch of these like this one and just throw it around. Not throw it at people, but throw it around.
Yeah.
You could you can turn these into juggles. You can make 3 of them and then juggle. Oh my gosh, I'm going to juggle on camera. It's been a long time since I've juggled.
You can do it.
Okay.
Yay! Go, Miss Kate! And there you have it.
Okay, anyway, maybe not juggles. Okay, thanks everybody. These are
for
making
joining
puff
us.
balls. Do lots of fun things with them. We'll see you soon.
Bye, friends.
Bye.